In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo on Weebly, all in just 5 minutes. To get started, first, head over to the Weebly website. You'll want to go to the page for building a free website or online store. You'll find it by searching for Weebly's website builder, which will take you to the home page where you can start the login process. Next, you'll need to log in. Use your email and password to access your account. If you have a Square account, you can log in through the Square connection, as Weebly integrates seamlessly with Square. Once you've entered your credentials, simply click on the login button to gain access to the Weebly dashboard. Once logged into your Weebly account, you'll want to navigate to the overview section. You'll find this by heading to the main dashboard. On the overview page, you'll see all of your site's information clearly laid out. It's like mission control for your website, where you can manage everything that's happening. In the overview section, look for the My Website or header text and click on it. This will bring you directly into the editor mode of your website, enabling you to make the necessary changes. From here, you'll see the option to deal with the logo specifically. Now, you'll want to click on the logo placeholder. By doing this, you should see options related to uploading and modifying your logo. Click on Upload a photo from computer. At this point, browse through your computer files to select the logo image you want to use. After you've selected the logo file you wish to upload, click on it and upload it into the Weebly editor. The editor allows you to interact directly with your logo. You can click on your newly uploaded logo to open more editing features. This is where you can customize the look of your logo directly within the Weebly editor. Once your logo is in place, you will see an Edit button. Click this button to start customizing your logo. You can adjust things like size, alignment, and more to suit the aesthetic of your overall website design. Make sure it represents your brand identity well and fits harmoniously with your site's theme. Finally, after you've tailored your logo to your liking, remember to click Save. This step is crucial because it ensures that all of the changes you've made to your logo are successfully applied to your website. Once saved, your new logo will be live on your site, making it unique and professional. Congratulations on customizing your website and adding a personal touch to it.